Did you know you can feed your local ducks for little to no cost? A simple loaf of bread or even leftover scraps can bring joy to both you and your feathered friends, but here's the catch: bread isn't healthy for ducks. Instead, give them chopped lettuce, oats, birdseed, corn, or peas, things you might already have in your kitchen. It's a fun, affordable way to connect with nature, relax outdoors, and even teach kids about kindness and animals. Grab a bag of healthy scraps, head to your nearest pond, and enjoy a peaceful moment, feeding ducks for free. It's one of the cheapest ways to feel good, give back, and enjoy a little slice of nature.